Hi everyone! In this video I have something super cool to show you. Together we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at a Korean beauty subscription box. They are called Sooni Pouch, and Sooni Pouch has been kind enough to sponsor this video and to give one of each of the three kinds of boxes that they have available for you to choose from. So we are going to look at everything inside, look at all of your options, and I'm going to show you everything that Sooni Pouch is about. So if you like Korean beauty, that's skincare, makeup, bath products, then this is the video for you, and this might be the subscription box for you too. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button. Please follow Allura on Instagram. I'll put the username in the description box below. And of course, if you missed the last video, I will link that in the upper right hand corner for you. It is a comprehensive look at the best skincare that I've been testing out in the last couple of months, especially for the summertime or for people with oily skin. So if that's something that interests you, then please go check that video out. Let's get to unboxing the goodies from Sooni Pouch. So Sooni Pouch is available to US customers through their website, which of course I'll link in the description box for you. In addition, if you are not in the United States, you can still have access to Sooni Pouch's subscription services through Cratejoy. Now, the brand says that they started Sooni Pouch to allow anyone and everyone to discover amazing Korean beauty products in an effortless and approachable way. They've curated the beauty subscription box to meet everyone's needs and have been unparalleled in exceeding customer expectations and fostering unique experiences. Their mission is to let you discover favorites that fit your individual wants and needs from their Korean beauty box. Now, to that end, there are three different boxes that you can choose from depending on what your wants or needs are. The first one is the smallest subscription box that is for face masks. So in this subscription, you get 6 face masks per month for $9.99, and it's free shipping. The second option is the Sooni Mini Pouch, and this includes 6 to 8 full size or deluxe size samples from K-beauty brands, plus a deluxe sample skincare set. This subscription costs $19.99 per month and with free shipping. The largest subscription box is the Sooni Pouch. This will contain 10 to 12 full-sized or deluxe sample size K-beauty products. This subscription box costs $35.99 a month with free shipping. Your box or pouch will be shipped during the first full week of each month. So let's say you put your order in sometime in June, you should expect that your box will ship the first week of July. Now, Sooni Pouch does not give you a preview into what is going to be included in your box, so it will always be a surprise to you. And in this video, what they've done is they have provided me the items that are sent out to their customers for their July boxes or pouches. So I'm going to show you what the July offerings are in each choice of box. But if you were to sign up, then the first month's box that you would be receiving would be August. Just some of the brands that they have included in their boxes are brands like Innisfree, Tony Moly, Etude House, Misha, Skin Food, and a lot more. So there's the information for you. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We'll start with the face mask pouch. So here is the Sooni mask pouch. It comes in a bag like this, and you can see it all contains the face masks. The card that is included will list all 6 of the masks that you are going to receive and gives you a description of each of them. Here is the first mask. It is the Revive the Skin Black Pearl mask. I think the company is Le Butte Cosmetics. It is made with black pearl to moisturize and refine the skin texture. The next one is the Nature Republic Real Nature Mask Sheet in orange and is rich in anti-inflammatory properties as well as aloe to help relieve the skin. Number 3 is by Jean Blanc. This is the Collagen Plentiful Essential Skin Mask. This one's formulated with collagen to help hydrate and nourish the skin. Mask number 4 is by Moksha. This is the Dear Tea Tree Chamomile Witch Hazel Mask. It has tea tree extract, Centella asiatica, chamomile, and witch hazel. Mask number 5 is by Nature Republic. This is the Green Tea Hydrogel Mask. It's designed to instantly cool and relieve the skin with green tea and antioxidants. And mask number 5, this is by MediHeal, and it's the PDF AC Dressing Ampule Mask. This is a cellulose mask formulated with Centella asiatica and allotonin to soothe irritated and sensitive skin. So if you're a regular face mask user, this is a great way to get all different kinds of face masks. I did notice that there is a great variety in here in terms of the kinds of ingredients that they are offering. It's not all just collagen masks or green tea masks. So you get a ton of variety from a lot of different brands. Moving on to your second option, which is the Sooni mini pouch. Comes in a box like this. It was just a little bit squished from the packaging or from the package that it came in, but everything inside hopefully is okay. I'm gonna slide everything out of here and we'll go through it one by one. You again get a card to tell you a little bit of information about everything that is in the pouch. So let's start with item number 1. This is by Foodaholic. This is a collagen eye and face cream. Comes in a tube like this, and it says that this has hydrolyzed collagen in it. Next up is a mascara by Tony Moly, and this is called the Delight Circle Lens Mascara. That is what the brush looks like, and it says this is made with carbon black extract and argan oil and rice extract. And this does also seem to be the full-sized product. Number 3 are some nose packs or nose strips with green tea in them from Etude House. And these are those strips that you use to remove blackheads and clear out the pores. And it looks like you get 1 strip in here. Number 4, these are also items from Etude House. These are sample sizes of their Pink Vital Water. One is a facial toner and one is an emulsion. And these are both made with peach water and vitamins A, C, and E. Next is a product by Tony Moly. This is the Panda's Dream Glossy Lip Crayon. Look at how cute that panda is on the end there. And you twist from the bottom. The shade that you get, it's this bright kind of orangey red shade, and it's shade number 4, and I think what the name translates to is Red Belly. And this also seems to be a full-size product. And then you get 2 of the face masks that we saw in our mask pouch. So this one was the collagen one, and this one was the black pearl one. So in the mini pouch, it looks like 2 of them were more like sample sizes. The nose strip one from Etude House, and then this toner and emulsion set. And then you have the face masks, which of course are full-sized, but they are single pouches. And then you have these full-sized products. And third is the full-sized Sooni pouch box. It opens up like so. And let's take a look at what we have inside. All right, there's a little sneak peek. Let's go one by one. Okay, we're gonna go in order again of the items as listed on your card here. First thing is a skincare item. This is by YDYB. This is their Aqua Water Drop Cream. Clearly this is a full-sized product. Wow, look at that packaging and that detail on the top there. It says this is a sherbet cream containing tiny water droplets that burst when gently applied on the skin. Phytoplacenta allows for instant moisture and soothing relief and cellular rejuvenation. Good for day and night application. That is what it looks like. It really does have like a jelly consistency. Next up, we have the Etude House toner and emulsion that we saw in the mini pouch. You also get this item by Foodaholic. This is the Olive Moisture Hand Cream. You get a full-sized tube here, and this contains olive oil and olive extract. Next is a makeup item. This is by Tony Moly. This is the Eye Tone Matte Single Eyeshadow, and I received the shade M07. You will probably get different shades. They probably have several different shades that they send out, and so you may not necessarily get the one that I'm going to show you. That's what the case looks like, and that's what the shade looks like. So this is also a full-sized item. Then you get that mascara that we saw previously in the pouch by Tony Moly. Next up are some cosmetic sponges. These are by Tony Moly, and they are the Puff basic sponges. These are made of latex, and you get 6 of them. You also get that nose strip by Etude House that we looked at in the previous pouch. And you also get 3 face masks, the same 2 that we saw in the pouch, but then this very interesting one that we haven't seen in any of the boxes. This is the coffee milk face mask by Apu. And this mask actually has coffee extract, hydrolyzed collagen, milk extract, and hyaluronic acid. So as you could see, the boxes kind of build one on the other. So you start with the face mask pouch where you just get the face masks. Then you move on to getting an item or 2 of makeup and more skincare items in the mini pouch. And then some of those items cross over into the largest, just regular box, but you get an additional number of makeup items and skincare items and an extra item that or an extra mask that you don't find in any of the other options. I did notice on the cards that they don't list the price for the full sizes of the items, and I think that's probably in part because the prices really do vary. Depending on what online retailer you can purchase things from, the price just isn't consistent across the board. It's not like you can go to Sephora and get all of these items and that the price will be the same as if you go to some other website. So I think that's probably partially why the price isn't listed on the cards. Other than that, I think this is a great fun way to be able to access Korean beauty brands. Korean beauty brands have made progress in terms of being available to US customers and in countries that are not Asian countries, but it's still kind of hard to access some of these brands in an easy manner. So Sooni Pouch is putting together for you a variety of different K-beauty products from a variety of different brands, all in one box that's delivered to you, so that lets you access these brands easily and have a variety of products that you get to try out each month. All right, I hope you guys had fun unboxing with me. Let me know what you think of Sooni Pouch if you are interested in getting a subscription or any other thoughts that you have. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.